Okay, so welcome back once again. Yesterday, I've uploaded this video where I was fooling that might be you are not able to read well. Reason behind there was something written was hazy. So I thought that why not I can repeat the same video once more, right? So yesterday we were talking about what? We were talking about the sound, no? That in English grammar, as we know that we have only 26 letter. How many letters? Only 26 letter, right? Only 26 letter. Is it clear? And if we're talking about sound, then we have here total 44 sounds. How much? Total 44 sounds, right? In total 44 sounds divided into two parts. Vowel sound, how much? 20. Consonant sounds, how much? That is 24, right? In this short video, I would like to share some information about you so that you can understand without any hesitation. Alright. Thank you very much for your peoples, one who has subscribed till now. And even you have not subscribed, please subscribe, share and hit the bell button so that if any video I will upload, you will be the first student, first subscribers on who will watch this video first time. Alright. So this is this video I have uploaded. Alright. So what you have to do, just you can open your mouth. Open. Now just you can write the topics. This. After that here. Done. Then one by one, once again I am going to repeat these words. Okay, which word I'm talking about? First word E. First word E. Example is given: ship, SHIP. Yesterday I told you, you will write 10 words. You will write 10 words. Ship. Next word is sit, SIT, sit. So the E sound is here. That means small sound, small vowel sound. Okay. Let's go ahead 1 second. We have a today. Next, E. That is ship. Long vowel sound. What is here? Here is long vowel sound. Here is long vowel sound. How many words you have to prepare? Only 10 words, right? Which types of example? Ship and sit. Ship and sit. Ship and sit. Ship and sit. Alright. Next we have a O. O. That is O. So what is PULL? Pull. And foot. 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 Clear? If the point will be clear, just you can like, comments, and any confusions, please do comments. That's I'm not able to understand or any issue. These all everything are the sound, and which is very important. Otherwise, whenever you will try to read, you will get a wrong sound. Alright. So FOOT, foot, not a foot. F-O-O-T, foot. Like this is U sound here, pull, foot. Don't be confused here, otherwise you will read foot. No, this is not a foot, foot. F-O-O-T, foot. Next we have a U, that is long vowel sound. What is long vowel sound? Let here. Here is the word is. Once again. Okay, here is just a bit. Wait. So we have a where O, that is okay. This is then long sound. Food, F-O-O-D, food. Here and there. Good, G-O-O-D, good will be here. F-O-O-D, food. G-O-O-D, good. So good and food, don't be confused that good here and food why. So this all everything the beauty of this English sound wherever we are learning, right? Just you can practice A, H-E-A-D, head. Next is pet. The same one is a, that is teacher. That is teacher. That is teacher. Next we have a A-G-R-E-E, agree. Never say agree. What you will say? Agree. I agree. I agree. Okay, it's clear? I do believe that you will write one by one. That's why I am giving you this information once more. Alright. Next, that is G-I-R-L, girl. Alright. G-I-R-L, girls. Wait. G-I-R-L, girl. What is Z-I-R, girl. E-A-R-S, earth. Earth. E-A-R-S, earth. E-A-R-S, earth. N-U-R-S-E, nurse. 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 Alright. Next we have a O sound. D-O-O-R-F-O-U-R, door. Here, fur. Not a four. Fur. 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 A sound is here, apple, and head. Head. Next we have a here Next we have a here this sound, love. You can check it out. Love. Love, not love. Love, no. Love. Next sound, this is long, dark. Dark. Start. Heart. Heart. Don't say hurt. Don't say hurt. If you say hurt, that means you are saying H-U-R-T. That is hurt. Don't hurt. Don't hurt his hurt. Don't hurt his hurt. Okay? Alright. Next we have a O. That is hot. Hot, not a hot. H-O-T, hot. This is O sound. That's why you say hot, not a hot. H-O-T, hot. That is no. Next is body. B-O-D-Y. Not a body. 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 Alright? Body, no. Body. Body. Alright? Body. And next is stop. So this was the complete information about the signs, that is sound. Please, one by one, you can go to in the channel and try to subscribe. Write many times you can write. I do understand that it is one time is not possible. You have to write many times. You have to write many times. If you will not write the many times, this will not be clear. This will be in problem. And if you write many times, this all everything sounds, and practice many times, then definitely it will be day by day, it will be easy. And when once it will be easy, then you can't imagine that how very easy to complete these things. How very easy to complete this thing. Okay? So today, once again, I am going to give you some more sentence where